Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove blackheads fast and easy at home using anodized salt, baking soda, toothpaste, and a toothbrush is all you're really going to need. I've been using this at-home remedy for about 5 years and it works quick and easy, like I said. First thing you want to do is get a little bowl and add equal parts salt and toothpaste. Like so. Okay, and then you're going to want to give it a good mix. I use a toothpick, but you can use your finger if you'd like as well. It's just a little messy. Just give it a good mix for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Okay, when you're done, you should have something that kind of looks like this. All right, as you can see, if we get in close here, I have quite a few blackheads on my nose. I do this remedy about once a month, and it works great. Okay, first thing I do is I run some hot water under a washcloth and then put it right on my nose for about, I'd say 20-30 seconds. Get my pores all soft. All right, the next thing you want to do is take your paste and your toothbrush and just apply it healthy amount on your nose there. Make sure you get everywhere that you want to remove the blackheads. And then just start scrubbing lightly, not giving it too much pressure, but enough where, you can feel it. I do this for about, about to drip. Do this for about 3-4 minutes. Kind of just going in an up and downward motion. And after that 3 or 4 minutes, you're just going to want to let it dry on there for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been on my nose now for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to use my washcloth and rinse it off, or you can just take some water and splash it, whatever method you want to use. Okay, and after you're finished, you're going to want to take an ice cube and close up your pores. This will keep bacteria from going back in to the pores you just unclogged. A little cold, but I only do it for a couple, maybe 15 seconds, and you're good to go. Okay, and this is the after. As you can see, there's no more blackheads. Still got those little holes there, but you can't get rid of those. But there's actually no more blackheads. So hope you found this video informative on how to remove blackheads quick and easy. I've been using this method for a long time with great success. It's cheap. You can buy those pore strip things, but they really tear up my face, make my eyes water. I just don't like those. And then, of course, just popping them by hand with my fingernails leaves my nose all red and torn up and stuff like that. So give this method a try if you haven't before. And please give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.